5G. After that, Jayesh is going to delete the features of 5G. Then Ghanshyam is going to highlight the feature of 5G. And the lastly, my friend Devendra is going to explain the diverse applications of 5G. Now, let's first start with the basic introduction of 5G. As we all know, 5G stands for fifth generation of wireless technology. Let me elaborate. 5G is a set of revolutionize the way we communicate with its high-speed data transfer, vast capacity, and its low latency. Now, as the world advances, 5G, whether it is in technology, in healthcare, and also the entertainment field. Now, that's all from my side. Now, my friend Ayush will come here and introduce his topic, which is on evolution of 1G to 5G. Ayush, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Arpit.
Hello.
To start our topic, evolution from 1G to 5G. 1G is introduced in 1979 in Tokyo, and it allows to basic voice calls that makes people make connected with others, and the speed up to 2.4 kb per second. After some years, the 2G is introduced. 2G is introduced in 1991 in Finland. It makes the voice calls between some people, and one more features are added on, that are SMS and MMS features. The speed up to 74 kb per second. After some years, the 3G is launched in 2001 in Japan by NTT Docomo. It allows the people connecting to some people. The features of 3G is improvement in data and voice quality, and one more features are added, that is video conferencing. The data speed between two devices about 2 MB per second. Move on to 4G. 4G is launched in Sweden and Norway in 2009. Airtel was the first company that launched 4G in India. The features of 4G is high performance in data transfer, and the speed about 100 MB per second. Move on the 5G. The 5G is launched in 2019 in South Korea, and it is more faster than 100 times faster than 4G, and the speed of data transfer is about 1 GB per second. Move on to the next slide. This is a feature slide, and first feature, the first feature refers the enhancement of smartphones according to the change in generation of mobile network. 1G is only voice calls, and 2G voice call, SMS, and 3G emails, location, Google Maps, music, and other things. 4G enables video, voice conferencing, data rate enhancing, or in 5G, clouding, IoT, any other second. So, thank you. My friend Jess talk about the features of 5G.
Thank you, Ayush. Now I am going to explain features of 5G technology. First feature of 5G technology is increased speed. 5G technology provides significantly higher speed than previous generations, which peaks up to 10 gigabytes per second. The second feature of 5G technology is low latency. 5G technology reduces network latency to as low as 1 millisecond, which provides nearly instantaneous communication between devices and minimizing the delays. The third feature of 5G technology is high capacity. 5G technology, 5G network can support massive number of connected devices simultaneously, which provides us great connectivity, improve energy efficiency. 5G technology aim to be more energy efficient than previous generation, by which we can provide low energy to network connected devices. Now, my friend Ghanshyam is going to explain advantages of 5G feature.
Thank you, Jayesh. Advantages of 5G network. Now 5G network. First point is high speed mobile network. We can see transfer data fastly. We get good experience of 4G network. Next topic is internet of multimedia. We can see video and watch HD quality videos and video.
Next slide.
HD quality video. Also downloading moving and video less than having suitable connection. Next topic is connecting devices. In 5G network, connected devices fastly, more devices and fastly less than is suitable connection. Next point is benefit in AI. In AI, devices and software
रेकॉर्ड करा तो माझा पार्ट आहे.
will mainly future as about like suitable connection. Improve quickly. Last topic 5G in human life. 5G love improve human life is make about the communication, care, health, of education, transformation. This is our advantage of 5G technology. Next topic will be explained by Kiran Devendra Aide. Thank you.
My topic is appliance, sensor, device and applications to the network. The second is smart farming. 5G technology will be used for agriculture and smart farming in the future. Farmers can operate their fields from anywhere using smart sensors. Smart sensors can be used for irrigation control, access control, and energy management. The third application is healthcare. The use of healthcare will enable faster and more reliable communication between doctors and patients, providing more efficient service and healthcare. The fourth is smart cities. Smart city applications like traffic management, instant weather update, local area broadcasting, weather resource management, cloud management, etc. can be operated by using 5G technology. Now Arpit will continue.
Hello. In conclusion, I just want to say our presentation on 5G has provided a comprehensive overview on its topic of evolution of 1G to 5G with its key features and diverse application on 5G. In today's world, where technology advances, the 5G stands forefront, promising us a connective, a faster and innovative future for all of us. Thank you for your attention.